Good morning, Gabriel. Gabriel. He's ready for school na, guys. And of course, his ate. Did you wash your backpack, girl?
No.
Oh, I can wash it for you later when you come home. And then, you're gonna use the other black. Where's the black one? Because I can clean it up for you.
Don't know.
I think it's right there. I know. Because those are, if you use those are like...
Find it, because I think I know where.
Okay. Ready for school, Gab?
Let me get a vitamin water. I'll be back.
Okay, go. Go, go, go. Nice ang pants niya, guys. I kinda wanted to have that kind of pants. Kumusta, kumusta, kumusta? Ang aking future vlogger, oh. Kasi magbablog daw po siya. Right? You're going to vlog? Huh? No!
I know. When I grow up, I want to be a YouTuber.
Oh, yeah. Sabi niya, guys, when he grows up, he wanted to be a YouTuber. Yan yung sapatos na may pa-free na coupon. Yan, bili ako ng ganyan na pants. I wanted to buy that kind of pants. I will. Luto tayo ng egg. Kasi, gutom na po tayo, no? We have to eat. Naka-ready na ako kasi, pipick upin natin si Gabriel in 40 minutes. Gutom na ako. I need to eat before I go. Si asawa, guys, nasa doctor appointment niya. Kapoy muna tayo, and then kain, and then good to go. Kasi meron, kaya ako nag-ready dahil may conference sa school ni Gabriel. Mamaya pa naman, it's like 12:51 daw. So by that time, asawa already got back from his appointment. So, andito na nga pala ako, guys. So mamaya, babalik na naman kami dito. It's like couple hours siguro. Antayin muna namin si asawa ko galing sa doktor kasi gusto niya yan sumama. Ayaw niya mamiss. Kung pwede lang. Yeah. So, antay muna tayo dito, guys. While waiting. Siyempre, alam niyo nang gagawin natin. Matutulog. Charot. Hindi pwede matulog. Yan. So, magantay muna tayo dito, guys. And then, uwi na tayo after dito. Kasi hindi pa ako natapos kumain, guys. Mamadali kasi ako eh. Anyway, see you later. Dito na kami sa school. Conference. At least hindi traffic. Wala na masyadong tao dito. Yes, Gabe. Meron pa atang tao sa loob. Ay.
Hi guys, come on in.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing well, thank you.
Thank you.
Come on in.
Tapos na, guys. So 30 minutes lang po yung conference, yung meeting. So done na kami. Meron ganito, guys. It's improvements ni Gabriel kung ano ba yung kailangan pang i-improve sa kanyang school para maturuan siya ng mga bagay na alam niyo na yung sa struggle siya, pero ang teacher sabi so far so good. Daming bata. So uwi na kami. Say it to your friend. You see his friend. Dami niyang friends dito. That's good. You okay? Ang init. So, painit. So, tara na, let's go. Para makapagpahinga naman tong maliit namin na bata. Ay, sus. Bahay na, guys. Nag-grocery pala ang asawa ko konti ng, ito lang. May tinapay. Bumili siya ng baking soda. At saka apple cider vinegar. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan niya yung gagamitin, guys. And, bumili po siya ng, ayan, avocado. Tapos, may onion dyan. May lemon dito, guys. Kamatis. Ayan. Magto muna tayo ng panghapunan, no? Hi, guys. I'm here ngayon sa barber. Doon. Sa loob. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita ba niyo, guys. But anyway, doon. Din-wrap off ko si kuya. Ako lang mag-isa, guys. Kasi ayaw ko naman disturbohin yung asawa ko dahil gusto niya magpahinga. So, okay lang din naman. Naantay ko na lang si kuya. Actually, guys, kaka-drop off ko lang sa kanya. So, it's gonna take a while. So, kailangan muna natin sigurong patayin itong ating sasakyan, no? Kasi meron po tayong, ilang charge naman. Ayan, no? Meron tayong, 75%. So, 57 miles. Though, maganda pa rin siya, guys. Yan lang talaga ang disadvantage ng electric car. Especially yung ganitong electric car namin. Compare sa newest electric car na kasi malayo na yung mararating mo. This one kasi around town lang Tagalaga. But still, we still have pretty good charge. So, antay lang tayo dito, guys. And, first time ko kasing mag-drive papunta dito. Ako lang mag-isa. So, I had to, know, doon ako mag-exit. And then, hopefully, I have, ano ba tawag nito? Good, alam nyo na. Di ko nakikita kasi yung Anyway, sige, mamaya na lang ulit, guys. Tapos na po siya nag-haircut. Okay. Tara. I can't go there because I'm not going right. La, 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 la. Well, oh, sorry. Emergency brake. It didn't take him long, so that's good. Okay. Oof. Oh, there you go. I will. Thank you, sir. I still keep going. Sorry. Well, it's still orange. Thanks God, the guy let me go first. That's good. Thank you, sir. Or else I will go straight. Pagkatapos nito, I'm gonna make some dinner. I already make yung para sa dinner ng aking asawa. So anyway, guys, tara, let's go home.